Sorry, I didn't quite see you there. Hi guys, it's Lily. So welcome to my channel. Just kidding, I don't have a channel. Anyways, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to pack successfully for a festival.
Let's do this.
Step 1. You're gonna need one of these. What I like to do first is put my shoes at the bottom. Next, I like to do kind of like smaller things just because you can put them in the little pockets. So extra pasties. Personally, I put all my accessories in a little bag because I don't like them getting tangled up or lost in my suitcase. Also, what I like to do as one of my first steps is things like makeup bags. It's so much easier to put in shower caddies, in makeup bags, in the bottom. Lotion, perfume, in the suitcase. Deodorant, in the suitcase. Don't forget your portable chargers. We hate running around the festival with 1%.
Life too.
Check the weather. I don't care where you're going. Check the weather. I'm bringing a rain jacket. I'm going to Florida because it rains out of nowhere. Always bring a hat.
Okay.
Bring snacks. Like, food is so expensive at festivals. I always bring snacks. Bring snacks. I think somewhere along the way I was talking about steps. There's no steps. 2-day festival, bring your 2 outfits. Pack some underwear, pack some bras, pack some leggings, a sweatshirt, short sleeve shirt, a tank top. Don't overthink it, people. Like, I don't pack as much as I used to just because it's pointless and you can't find anything, so don't bring all that extra junk. Just don't. Packing for festivals, it seems hard and you seem like you need everything, but honestly, bring your outfits like this one from Glitch and Glam that I'm obsessed with. All Florida vibes. So excited. And have fun at your festivals. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel that I don't have. But follow me on Instagram at Lilly_Enright. Sorry, that was my joke.